coming to you live on DSTV channel 421 and GoTV channel 144 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We are Joy News on TV. Hello and happy holidays. I hope you're keeping safe wherever you are and continue to observe the safety protocols. My name is Mapitso Sebidi and this is Joy News Interactive. I have a very exciting person right next to me. He goes by the name of Shade Original, and he sits right next to me with his, is it green or
it's peppermint.
It's peppermint. Hey, okay, peppermint hair.
Right.
So Shade O joins me with his peppermint. With his peppermint hair. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm good. Okay, Shade O. Firstly, yeah. What's your full name? Like your.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amos Niate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where does the Shade O come from?
That's the music name.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I have to say.
But why Shade O? Like.
Okay, so I always say, anywhere I go, like Shade, it's. You know, I got signed on, there's this project, Green Republic. Okay. And it's about climate change. They're trying to plant trees and stuff like that. I had to, make a song for them, like a theme song. Okay. So, for me to get that contract, I had to, get the name Shade, which, represents, the shade.
Okay.
And I thought of it with my team, and I'm like, yo, this is something that I haven't thought of. Yeah, so that's how come I adopted the name Shade. And like if I ask you now, everybody wants to be under a shade. Yeah. And so as we are under my shade, then I serve you some good music. Oh wow! Yeah, right. As you're under my shade, I serve you with some good music. Hey, okay, that's nice. Now tell us about Shade O. Who is Shade O? How did you grow up? Where did you grow up? And all of those things. Okay, so Shade O is a Ghanaian, and I'm a Ghan. Yeah. I grew up in Accra here. I went to St. Paul Senior High School. Okay. And I started my music thing, in high school, but it wasn't that serious. But after high school, that's when I took it professionally. So since then, it has been like Shade O everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then, so how was your upbringing? Did you always want to do music? I never, I was that one person that I grew up in a mission house. My grandfather was a bishop, so I find myself in the instrumental department where they play. Okay. And I tried to join the choir sometime, but they sacked me because they be like, yo, your voice there. It's not cool. So I didn't know, but I was playing football by then. Yeah, so that's what I thought I would do, but football also didn't go, the music came. Okay. And now, the same church, I am the music director there, and that's... Yeah. So I think music is something that I had to do. Yeah. Because what I told you, I didn't know, they sacked me, but then now... This is what you're doing? I'm the one, I'm the one, leading the choir now. Yeah. So. And how long have you been doing music? Like professionally, 3 years now. Okay. Yeah. And how has that been? It hasn't been easy, Ghana and music. Yeah. It's not easy, but by the grace of God and with my label, I got signed on my label, Utmost Entertainment. And with the help of them, that's how come I'm here today. So they've tried, and I know they are doing their best, and we are all doing our best to dominate. Dominate. Okay. So what are some of the challenges you've faced in your 3 years? Everybody is going to say promotion, Yeah. Promotion is one of the things that, as an artist, we need. And sometimes it doesn't come easily like that if you're an upcoming artist. No matter how, sometimes you might be good, but when the promotion doesn't really go well, and sometimes you might be good and without promotion, you can just, blow one time. And some of us too, we have to, grow gradually. Yeah. So I should say that promotion is one of the challenges. Okay. That I am facing. I can't talk about it, but that's what I am facing. But I'm hoping that it will get better in future. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about that whole climate song you were doing. So just take us through the process. I beg your pardon. Take us through the process. So what happened?
Are you guys planning on planting trees? What is the plan?
Okay, so with the Green Republic, we planted. Okay, they were planting 1 million trees.
Okay.
And yeah, we did some in the north.
Okay.
We did some here in Accra area, and due to the COVID that came, they had to hold because the movement ceased and all that. But I think now they're trying to go ahead and do the rest of the planting. Yeah. Make Ghana green again. Yeah. So definitely, and when it comes on, I'm sure it will be on the news. And
all right. There's one song of yours, "Criminal."
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell us about it, because people are saying that, oh, you've gotten arrested, you were beat up, blah blah blah. So what? Yeah, "Criminal." Let's talk about "Criminal."
All right. So this is what happened. "Criminal" because of the title of the song. So I know people are going to be like, "Why you go steal something with or something?" But it's just a love song that it's like a guy telling a lady that anytime I need you, you're not around, and that thing causes men to cheat and all that. Yeah. So the video that came, on the social media, saying that I've been arrested, was behind the scenes of the video. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure definitely one of, I don't know, I can't tell who this video. So I'm sure somebody leaked, and then the scene, how it was, it really looks like they're arresting me. Yeah. So it came. I woke up and I'm like, hey, what's up? This one. I beg me, I know that. I don't want that.
Me, I did my bed though. You people say. Yeah.
So that's how it happened. But I think it's all good for the game. Sometimes it brings people's let me okay, what's next? Like, what's going to happen? Yeah, so when I dropped the song, finally, people started people started calling me, like, where am I? I'm like, at their house. They say, I know, they take you good place. Yeah, they're my bed. And if some people don't believe, so they want to come and video call and see that. Concern people. Yeah, so I had to make a lot of video calls. My uncles, people that I've not heard from for
in a long time. Oh.
They're all calling me like, are you okay? Then so I was telling my boys that, hey, so these people, they wait here, I will get problem before
they go call you.
Call me. But anyway.
How we gonna do them?
How we gonna do them?
Okay.
So "Criminal" is a beautiful song. Like the video, when you watch the video, it's wow.
Yeah. All right, now tell me, you're an Afrobeat artist.
Yeah, Afrobeat artist, right?
Yeah. Okay. So how's that going? Because I feel like we have quite a lot of Afrobeat artists. But how's that going? And
I think we don't really have a lot of Afrobeat artists. Because we all know that like when you mention like Shatabali, dancehall. Yeah. When you mention Stonebwoy, dancehall. But then they do the Afrobeat vibe. But like an artist standing like an artist like Kelvin Boy. Kelvin Boy stood for himself like, yo, we have an Afrobeat artist. So we don't really have much. Okay. And then I think it's because we haven't yet accepted the Afrobeat thing. But it's now that
it's coming,
even though they always say that Afrobeat has been there for long, but the way it's been rolled on beat and stuff like that, I think it's now that it's changing. Like I can see people like Mr. Drew drop a song like Mood. I'm like, yeah, like we won't hear these things, But Kevin Boy, there is my man, so and I've been boy, so he knows I'm doing what he's doing, and so anytime people like, yo, Nana, keep it. He needs people.
Yeah.
Because he knows when he alone wants to be like me, if I do no. So he want people that when we are all pushing the Afrobeat thing, that's when Ghanaians will also accept.
Stronger, yeah.
So like Afrobeat is the ish now.
Okay, that's good. Have you worked with Kelvin Boy yet?
Yeah, Kelvin Boy, I have about 4 songs with Kelvin Boy, who is out already. Okay. And the rest we are still, working. Like Kelvin Boy is my senior man, he's my senior brother. Yeah. So I have a couple of joints with him. Okay. Yeah.
All right, now let's talk about music. What music? Do you have an EP?
Yeah. So last year September I dropped my maiden EP.
Okay.
Titled L'amour EP.
L'amour EP.
Which means love.
Love.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so I think I had Kelvin Boy on, I had D Crime on, I had Yalbeck on, I had Ephraim on.
Yeah.
Then I did 3 singles.
Okay.
Yeah. Due to the COVID and stuff, the promotion had to hold back. It's now that we are on to promote it again, because we can tell that things are moving smoothly now by the grace of God. Yeah.
All right, and top 3 African artists and top 3 international artists you'd like to work with?
Burna.
Okay.
Burna Boy. Sarkodie.
Okay.
Okay, Kelvin Boy, me not get some right.
No, Kelvin Boy.
I for make it no, me not get some.
Yeah.
and then Shatawale Stone Boy,
Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. So it's Burna Boy, it's Sarkodie, it's Shatawale, and it is Stone Boy. So those are the 4 African or Ghanaian artists that J.O. would like to work with. But let's take it international. Who would you like to work with? Because we will say, who would you like to work with?
International, I would really love to work with Rihanna.
Hey.
Yeah, I like him.
Oh, okay.
Chris Brown.
Okay. The Chris Brown, you too. His hair is also.
Yeah. And then maybe I'm sure Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. That's interesting. All right, so we're going to take a quick breather, and then J.O. will come and perform something small for us, and then we'll continue the conversation. So stick and stay. You don't want to miss any of this.
Good morning, people. What's up? It's your boy Shado. Yeah. I want to say, Charlie, happy Eid Fitr to all my Muslim brothers. I'm here doing insane for you, performing for you guys, man. Yeah. I got this one insane. 1, 2, where? You got me thinking like I be insane, oh. Every morning you they give me kisses on my face, oh. Where? My Jessica, baby, oh. You're something, oh. He they do me yori, causing explosion. Every day you got me feeling like every day you got me singing like every day you got me feeling like oh no. Every day you got me feeling like yeah. Well, smile for me, baby. Although you way, say now Gigi me so dear, and call me more. Smile for me, baby. Although you way, say now 1, 2, bam. You give me love where they make her the jagbada. I can't deny you fit to turn a big man to have a fra. Because shake it, yeah. Dance to the rhythm, magbaja. You don't get the competition. You the spice of my life with the aroma. Where I go fly away with you all day. Moko nya chele what in da bi da da. Every day you got me singing like see Every day you got me feeling like yo. Yeah. Every day you got me singing like oh no. Every day you got me feeling like yo. Yeah. Smile for me, baby. Although you way, say no Gigi me so dear, and call me more. Smile for me, baby. Although you way, say no Gigi me so, and call me more. Why? You got me thinking like I've been insane. Every morning you they give me kisses on my face, oh. Where my Jessica, baby, you're something, oh. He they do me yori, causing explosion, oh. Every day you hear me singing like oh. Every day you hear me singing like yo. Yeah. Every day you hear me singing like oh yo. Yeah. Every day you hear me singing like oh. Yeah. I go by name shit, ladies and gentlemen. I'm right here on Joy News. What's up? This Do Me off my Lamar EP. I hope you're feeling it. Let go. Where? Say it. Give me your body, oh. Pour me some palmy, oh. Yeah. Give me your. Where? See the things you they do me, they make me want to the jingle. There's no one else like you. You sabi the jingle, yeah. A special body where they make me, they want to, they sing, oh, lo. Nobody go fit to kill our shine, baby, what up? Everybody sings, oh, yeah. Say, baby, give me vibe, oh. I say, drop my money, oh. Yeah. Everybody sing with me, say, yeah. Baby, give me vibe, oh. I say, drop my money, oh. Yeah. Baby, drop my money, oh. Yeah. Cheche kule, cheche kofisa, ajelo bagili, yo. Cheche kule, Rich House gets beats. Where say what? Please don't stop, baby. Give me sugar loving, please don't see. As I be to take you to London tonight, me then you, baby, no condom. Where whoa, and the small things you do to me, where they ginger my body, they ginger my body, oh. Sadisana se me Jiminia. Se me shocks, yeah, weak poor. If you know me, God, if I want to, everybody sing, yeah, oh, yo. Baby, give me vibe, oh. Drop my money, baby, drop my money, oh. Everybody sing, yeah, oh, baby, give me vibe, oh. I say, drop my money, oh. Drop my money, oh, yeah. Are you feeling it? Are you feeling it? Bishop Big Vampire, Bishop Entertainment. Whoa, see, I wonder how I go feel to live without you on the daily. Yeah. Oh my baby, oh yeah. You and I only forever to the grave. Oh yeah. Since you they do me, they make me want to the jingle. There's no one else like you. It's a Sebidi. Oh, see, say your special body where they make me, they want to the single. Nobody go fit to kill our shine, baby. Oh, everybody sings, oh, you. Wara, say me shot. Wara, say if you know be God, if I want to, everybody sings, oh, say. Mapitso, baby, give me back, say, oh, say, drop my money. I say, drop my money, yeah. Well, say, hey, baby, give me vibe, oh. I say, drop my money, oh, yeah. So I told you I go by the shade. Oh, what's up, Charlie? I'll be feeling it. Afrobeat to the world. Yeah. Charles, the next tune. The next tune could bust your brain. The next tune. If like this on the beat there, man, you want me to drum again, eh? Well, I say give me up. Pour me some fun. Give me up. One drop tea. The things you they do me, they make me want to they jingle. There's no one else like you. You sabi the jingle. Where see your special body where they make me, they want to they sing, oh, lo. So this one is Criminal. Produced by Beat Vampire. Produced by Key Speed. What's up? Yeah. One time making the building. Well, see, can I tell you something now? I'm no more a criminal. Chasing all the girls around. Sometimes I just don't know how. I don't know why. Anytime you know they show up, make we see you, they make me feel like Mungu. Oh no, you they make me feel like robot. You they make me feel like Momo. Oh no, oh I just want to talk. Oh no. Sometimes I just want to talk. Oh no. Oh, all I want is dirty love. dirty love. All I want is dirty, 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 dirty love, dirty love. See, I just wish you understand what it takes to fall in love. See, cause I got my eyes on you, yeah. I want to shoot your moon, yeah. With my big raccoon, yeah. I've tightened up my shoe, yeah. My body do me back back, cause I wanna kill coco. Tido do re mi so so. Girl, you blow my mind, oh. My body do me back back, cause I wanna kill. Tido do re mi oh. Girl, you blow my mind. I just want to.
Hey, hey,
I just
hey,
want to.
hey.
Sometimes I just want to. Oh na na na. Sometimes I just want to toto. Oh no.
Hey, hey,
All I want.
hey, hey,
Dirty, dirty love. Yeah, dirty love. All I want is dirty, 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 dirty love, dirty love. One time, yeah, yeah,
yeah. All right, that was cool. Oh, that was really good. That was really good.
Thank you.
Have you ever gotten your heart broken? Or
no,
are you in love?
Yes, I'm sure. Yes, I'm in love, yeah.
You're in love, eh? Okay, because the songs that you just sang, like you want the girl to chop your money.
That one's like, you don't want chop. Oh.
You don't want chop. Oh, babes. Oh, shake those babes. So the girl say chop his money, eh? You know go chop.
If you mean that my money, why I say chop?
So she should chop, eh?
I don't know why.
All right, so that's how we enjoy this interaction. How can people contact you if they want to hook up with you or anything like that?
Okay, so on you follow me on Instagram at Shade Original. On Instagram and Twitter is Shade Original, and Facebook is Shade. Follow me there. You see every details about me, my management, and everything. Big shouts to everybody.
Shout out to anyone.
Yeah, big shouts to Optimus Entertainment. Big shouts to God. Big shouts to Optimus Entertainment. Big shouts to my whole family, my whole crew, my whole producers. Beat Vampire, Gigs Beats, Nick in the building. My road manager, Sir Carol. Big shouts to everybody supporting the movement.
All right, thank you to everybody for supporting the movement. My name is Mapitso Sebidi. Continue to have a fantastic holiday. You know how to join the conversation on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We're Joy News on TV. So we're dotting.
No more look how we walk on. As I see the they make a them. Membre dinero masinico. See, yeah, turn on the lights. Why? If you give me pepper, I dey like. I go make you holla for a ride. Whoa, hit me for a night. Yeah, too much assurance for your life. Yele oh, yele oh, yele oh, Yehovah, yeah. What? Yehovah, yeah. What?